side slipping. When I go forward, my tails come around and I stop. I can control my speed by going forward. Listen, listen. If I lean back, my skis shoot out and I'm out of control. So leaning forward lets your tails come around. Leaning forward brings the pressure off your tails onto your tips so your tails can come around and stop you. Leaning backwards does the opposite and your skis run away. See my shoulders facing downhill all the time. You're just gonna go on, down. Now we're just gently going on the flats. We don't have poles, it's okay, we're walking. We're walking. We're walking. We're just walking on the flats here. We're walking on the flats. You can put your arms down, Micah. Yeah, we're walking. And you notice that you're gonna slide back, so.
I'm sliding.
Yeah, you're sliding back. So what do we do about that? We kind of turn against the way the hill's going and we hike a little bit to the side. Let's try stepping to the side now. The side slip is the fundamental basis of parallel skiing. Lean back and your tips will naturally want to go downhill. Lean forward and your tails will go downhill. So leaning forward and back is how we naturally adjust the angle of our skis against the hill. This is the goal of the first day of skiing. On a medium slope, an intermediate blue slope, work on balancing and adjusting your side slip so you have complete control. Slide down, slide down. Slide down like Pepper's doing. This is how we learn. Micah, don't point down, don't lean back. Straight, sideways down, sideways, straight down. You have to feel how the skis are doing this. Like Pepper's doing. Sideways down, Micah, down, sideways.
How do you guys do that?
You're doing fine. Don't lean back. You're leaning back. Go forward. Lean forward. Micah, you've got to turn forward. Yes. Stay across the hill. Yes. Now step down. Step down. Here's the ski school showing the kids to do the snowplow, and they're all leaning back. See the leaning back? Ski school is teaching the wedge so that kids stay in ski school forever. Side slip and set.
Yep.
Yeah, set. Feet together. Side slip, set. You're gonna have to lean forward a bit. Good, good. Side slip, slipping, slipping and set. This is the worst place to do it because it's not steep enough. Set.